Hey everyone! Looking for a laptop under RS30000 that offers great value for money? Then this video is for you. Today, I'm diving into the top 10 best laptops under RS30000 for 2025, perfect for students, work-from-home users, online classes, and basic productivity tasks. First up, the Lenovo IdeaPad 1. It's powered by an AMD Athlon Silver, with 4 GB of RAM and a 256 GB SSD. It features a 15.6-inch display, and it's priced at just Rs28,990. Ideal for light tasks and everyday use. Next, we have the HP 255G8. This one comes with an AMD Ryzen 3, 8 GB of RAM, and a 256 GB SSD, all for Rs29,999. Great for multitasking and fast boot up. Number 3 is the Asus VivoBook 15. It runs on an Intel Celeron N4020 with 4 GB of RAM and a 256 GB SSD, costing Rs27,490. Compact, reliable, and stylish. Fourth on the list is the Acer Aspire 3. It has an AMD 3020E, 4 GB of RAM, and a 1 TB HDD, priced at Rs26,990. This is best for users who need more storage. Fifth, we have the Avita Satis Ultimus. It features an Intel Celeron N4020, 8 GB of RAM, and a 256 GB SSD for just Rs23,990. Extra RAM in a low budget, great deal. Coming in at number 6, the Chewy HeroBook Pro. With an Intel Celeron N4000, 8 GB of RAM, and a 256 GB SSD, it's priced at Rs24,999. Decent performance with long battery life. Seventh on the list is the RDP ThinBook 1010. It has an Intel Celeron, 4 GB of RAM, and a 128 GB SSD, all for Rs19,999. Perfect for ultra-budget users. Next is the Infinix InBook Y1. It boasts an Intel Celeron N5100, 4 GB of RAM, and a 256 GB SSD, priced at Rs28,990. Sleek design with a good display. Ninth, we have the Lava Helium 12. It's powered by an Intel Atom X5, with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of eMMC storage expandable. Priced at Rs13,999, it's a basic laptop for very light use. Finally, the Eyeball Compbook M500. It features an Intel Celeron, 4 GB of RAM, and a 32 GB SSD expandable for Rs16,999. Suitable for basic tasks and browsing. So there you have it, the top 10 best laptops under RS30000 in 2025. Which one do you like the most? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tech content. Thanks for watching.